boys and girls, welcome back. This week we're going to be having another look at addition. We've had a look at this at school, so I wonder if you can remember what that adding sign looks like. Yes, remember we have a line pointing upwards and a line going across. I will show you on the board. Here is our adding sign, and remember that can mean add or plus. It both means the same thing. Now what I'm going to do today with Fluffy's help is show you what you can do at home to practice your adding. So if we have a look at our first number sentence, this one says 4 add 3 equals. 4 add 3 equals. Now to do this one, I'm going to use our lovely treasure pieces, and Fluffy is going to help me with this one. Now, what's the first number I need to get first, boys and girls? Have a look. What's our first number? Number 4. So in my first jar, I need Fluffy to get 4 pieces of treasure. Are you ready, Fluffy? Right, off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, Fluffy. We've got 4 pieces of treasure. Now, how many are we adding to 4? 4 add 3. We need to now add 3 to our 4 treasure pieces. So I'm going to use another jar, and Fluffy's going to put 3 more pieces into that new jar. 1, 2, 3. Well done, Fluffy. We've got 4 add 3. Now what we need to do is we need to count how many there are all together. So what I'm going to do is pour all of our pieces of treasure that we've counted into another pot. And then I'm going to count how many there are all together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 7 pieces of treasure all together. So 4 add 3 equals 7. Now, boys and girls, we need to make sure we finish our number sentence with that number 7, because we know that 4 add 3 equals 7. Now, I'm going to show you another way that you can add at home. Our next number sentence is 6 add 2 equals. Now, to do this one, I'm sure at your house, lots of you have got some hangers to hang your clothes on. And your grown-ups have probably got some pegs to hang the washing out too. So you can get a coat hanger or a clothes hanger and some pegs. And we're going to use this to add that up. So our first number was number 6. So I need to get 6 pegs and pop them onto my hanger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 pegs. How many was I adding? Let's check. I have 6 and I need to add 2. So I'm going to add 2 more pegs this time. 1, 2. So we've got 6 pegs. We've added 2 more. What's that really important step that I need to do now, everybody? Yes, I need to count how many there are all together to get my answer. So 6 add 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 add 2 equals 8. So we need to finish our number sentence with number 8. Now, that's 2 ways you can do it, but there's lots more ways on the blog that you could do your adding at home as well. Now, not only do we use our objects to help us, but we've been practicing counting on from that first number, haven't we, boys and girls? And it can be quite tricky, but we have to remember that we use our fingers to help us. So our final number sentence is 5 add 4 equals. So we have the number 5 to start with. Now that number 5 is going to pop into our heads. So can you pop number 5 into your heads? Pop! need to add 4. So I'm going to hold up 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've definitely got 4 there. What was that number that was in my head? Number 5. So we've got 5 in our head already. So remember, we tap our head and we say 5, and then we start to put our fingers down. Watch me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got 9. So 5 add 4 must be 9. Now, I'm just going to check because that can be a little bit tricky. So I'm going to check that that's right by just drawing my circles to help me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. Add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, is that 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is 9. So that means that we were right with our counting on in our heads. Now, boys and girls, I want to see how many different ways you can practice adding at home. You might want to use some food to help you. You might want to draw something on the floor using chalk. There's so many ways that you can do it. So make sure you have a look on the blog. And then when you've done it, send me a picture on Too Simple so that I can see your amazing work. Thank you, boys and girls. See you soon. Bye.